What's up you guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be using an old friend, the Canon EOS 250D SL3. Today we're going to be shooting some street photography, and I will see if I can get some portraits along the way. It's a Sunday so it's pretty quiet, but we are in Plaza Catalunya, so if the people are anywhere they should be here. A lot of you guys ask me if this is still a good camera in 2022, and it definitely is with the right lens. Okay, let's just stop. Straight after this, I'm going to be shooting with the Canon EOS R, and I'm going to be doing a Photos of Strangers video. So I'm going to smash out both of my videos today. So there's a little trick that you can do, guys. If you put something in front of the lens, like right now we have a bit of red, which looks really cool, just to add something else, or even like this. Wow, that looks the best. Look, let's get this guy going in. Let's see if we can get both. Maybe like this, we'll get one cat blurry. This could be another cool shot here if we focus on the bike. And then we have the lights in the background a little bit blurry, and we also have this grass in front. And today was forecast for a storm, you guys. My friend in Poland even got a message to say that today was going to be raining and be careful. This is the rain in Barcelona, so this one, you guys, the classic La Ruta Azul, the blue route. So here we are now in Plaza Catalunya, and it looks like they have I'm not sure if they're doing a protest here later or if this is permanently here. I haven't been here since the war actually started, but Slava Ukraine. So many birds. Even my focus is like, what is going on? Hola, perdón. Tengo un vlog en YouTube y saco fotos a gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Ah, si quieres una foto. Vale, sí. ¿Cómo? Creo que aquí al medio de la calle esperamos hasta la luz cambia y probamos aquí, sí. Vale. Ahora es súper guay porque no hay tráfico y no hay sol. Entonces, sí, si quedas ahí, al medio. ¿Cómo me pongo? Yo no sé. Vale, así. Y sí. Vale, ponte un poquito serio. Guay, aguanta. Tengo que se pone en rojo, Esperamos, pero más o menos te digo. Así, vale, ¿no? Sí. Queda bien. Sí, que me dirás el nombre porque así yo las quiero ver luego. Sí, claro. Ah, vale. Sí, quiero probar una cosa. Porque tienes las gafas, creo que queda súper bien con esto. Ah, vale. Preparado, sí. ¿Cómo va el día? ¿Bien? Sí, estaba esperando a un amigo, sí. Guay.
Wow.
Sí, es muy fuerte, ¿no?
Yeah.
Como yo puedo trabajar en el aeropuerto así.
No, casi.
Casi. Okay, so, de nuevo? Guys, the first time using our light. Man, can you actually hold this for a sec?
Okay.
Just like this? Sí.
¿Así?
Así, no, así.
Ah, sí, para.
Sí.
Vale. Pues cuidado que se va a poner otra vez.
Vale. ¿Está bien?
Pues sí.
Sí, la luz. ¿Qué tal? ¿Puedes ayudar?
Sí, ¿qué necesitas?
Creo que la luz aquí, pero te digo, cuando estamos aquí al medio.
Ahora sí.
Si tú con la luz,
¿Así?
más así, así.
¿De frente?
Sí,
Y yo mirando para
al
aquí.
lado. Sí, yes, aguanta. ¿En serio? Yes, mola, una más. Guay, mira.
Hola,
Mira
qué chulas,
estas.
nunca me han hecho unas fotos.
Hola, qué guay.
Ya
Sí, ¿no?
ves. Sí.
Si quieres te saco uno también.
Sí.
Sí.
Venga.
Este
tú
tú puedes hacer, sí.
Sí, yo, ahora aguanto yo.
Guay. A ver si no paramos la policía con la luz.
Pues no, es verdad. Ni te puedo manejar.
¿No? Si la fotografía no funciona, voy al aeropuerto para...
Para ganar dinero con eso. Ahora sí. Vale, sí. Ok.
Chicos, estoy en la calle siempre, entonces... Sí.
Estoy acostumbrado ya.
Sí. Ajá, good. Sí. Little more... Oh, here. Sí.
Ok.
Vale. Aguanta.
¿De frente, de lado?
Mira,
Como
te
quieras.
digo. Stay this. Can I get la luz un poquito más? Así.
Acaba de cambiar.
Cuidado.
Wait.
Es la luz, ¿verdad?
Quiero eso.
Sí.
Me gusta la visión. I like your vision.
Ok.
Okay, good. Stay there. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, give me serious, yeah. Yes, perfect. Perfect, stay there. Yes, main legs further a little bit apart, standing back up. Yeah, vamos, stay there. One more. Okay, perfect.
Ahí estamos.
Mira, estos.
A ver.
Dios, qué chulas.
Me encanta.
Wow.
Está guay. Hey guys, sorry, could I get a picture of you guys with the flags and stuff?
Yeah, no problem.
Cool, can we take it over here? I have
Yeah.
a light too, so it'll look cool.
Would you like to take our flag or no?
Yeah.
Okay. You can take it.
No,
Is us?
I'm taking a photo of you. Yeah, well, I have a vlog on YouTube. So today I'm doing some street photography,
Yeah.
but also normally I do photos of strangers
Okay.
when I like their look and stuff. But I think it's important too to share what's going on.
Yeah.
So I want to get some portraits.
Yeah.
I also have a light, so maybe you can hold the light
Yeah.
and we can do some
Yeah, he can.
awesome ones.
Ты можешь подержать ему фонарик, потому что он хочет сделать. My parents, they have 66, 65 years old, so they don't want to leave their house. They say it's our life, it's our house, it's our land.
Exactly.
And we have a house here to move them here, but they don't agree because they say that it's their house. And for me, my soul, it's really very difficult situation. I don't know what does the world will do.
No, I
with this
think,
situation.
yeah, I mean, I really hope that somebody helps Ukraine in the
No.
end, because it's really, I mean,
Nobody,
it's a hard
because
situation.
European countries and USA and New Zealand, they are afraid to damage their territory. But they don't understand.
This is going to be everyone.
Yeah, but
after.
never aggressor stop with one country. Never.
Never.
in
No,
the
of
world.
course.
You have to be beautiful and tall.
Guys, that's
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah,
I know.
Yeah.
I got you.
It's your task.
Exactly. Let me show you. I just went to.
I'm sorry, but even in this moment we can joke.
No, of course. No, last week I was in Warsaw, doing this too, and we took some like this.
Oh, very beautiful.
Can you take?
Oh yeah, very beautiful photo. Very beautiful.
Чуть-чуть, хорошо, да?
На лицо, наверное.
And you just turn a little this way. Perfect. Like. Классно стоит. Хорошо, смотри туда. Да. Да, очень. Ага, в камеру. Yes, стой.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Super nice,
I
eh?
like really, and very beautiful colors.
Yeah, I love the
colors.
flowers. Like they look really cool. It really stood out to
She
me.
made it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All the girls, they put this on our holidays.
Oh, holidays.
Yeah.
Okay. So cool.
Ага, хорошо.
Wow.
Oh, I missed the magic moment, guys. Okay, yeah, and now looking at me. Yes, perfect. Yes, stay like that. Awesome.